Good everyone, I hope you are all doing well, and I'm sure by now we would have been more empowered in designing. Stay calm as it said, slow and steady win the race. Don't forget, I remain Axod. Today's class will be on how to design a flyer using Canva app. Let's dive into the pool of design, and this is how our output design would be. Isn't that fantastic? Surely it is. Now, let's open our Canva app. I'm going to Canva. Let's open our Canva app. And I've already explained the process of downloading and installing on your phone. So, those of us that haven't watched the other video, let's try to watch it and comprehend it. So, we wait for it to load, and after it's been loaded, though you may have a different version on your phone, probably because you didn't maybe update to the latest one, because this is the latest one. But no problem, the contents therein are still the same. Let us come to the search engine here, and we type, since we want to design a flyer, so let's type flyer here, and you don't need to search, just wait for it to load. After loading, we have the flyer, the landscape, then the car wash flyer, construction flyer, advertising flyer, and so on and so forth. Just choose from the number of varieties you want, but here we will be designing with flyer, which is a general one. Now let's click on flyer. Having clicked on flyer, it will bring some templates for flyer, and from there you have many templates over there. You can just take anyone you like. And since I want to design about my business center, my business organization, so I want to pick this. I will pick this, and you can pick anyone you like, but I'm choosing this. Then just wait for it to load fully. After it's been loading fully, you can then start editing. Don't forget, you can edit the background itself when you click on the background. Then you can edit on the text. When you click on the text, on each text, you can edit anything you want. Just click on those things and you'll be able to edit. Now let's get started. Firstly, this ad showcase, I want to change it to my company's name, which is my business center name, which is Axod Design. Axod Designs. Then you press I hope you saw what I pressed, the mark sign. Then you press it. After pressing it, don't forget I said we would maybe these 4 rows. We have 4 rows, 1 2 3 4. Then you can use here to change it to the number of rows you want, but I want to change it to 2 rows. Let's just now like this. Then from here I want to let's do the size, and don't forget I said we will do the size with this, so let's do the size. So this is my company's name, Axod Design. Just that I would want to, as I did in the previous video, I want to make one, I want it to start on the same line. I want to give this one shift, or I do like this. Let me just press enter. Then I type shift. Now then let's press the arrow. Then we use the one that we change it to 2 rows. We want to change it to 2 rows like this. Now I like something like this. Then the spacing, don't forget this is where the spacing is. You can use the spacing to change the spacing between the lines like this. And let me make it more bigger. Let me just shift it upward. Now, like that. Then, having done that, I don't need this Phosphor University presents. I don't need that. I can delete. Then this 2018, I can change it to 2020 since we are in 2020. Let's just change it 2020. And the entrance fee, I don't need that. I can delete. This is where to delete. Hope you see it here. This is where to delete, and this is where to copy. When you want to copy, you press here. To duplicate, you press over there. Let's delete. Here also, I don't. Okay, I may later use that one. Let me just leave it. And here, I don't need it also. Let me delete. I don't think I need it also. I want to delete. Then you can click on this line in order to be more creative. Just click on the line. After clicking on the line, then you can duplicate, as I said here. Then you duplicate it here. After duplicating, I want to just place it here. Just make sure it's around at least it is parallel to this. It's parallel to this, and they are on the same line. Then the axle, I want to redo the spacing. Let me reduce it a little bit. Something like this, so that I can move this one closer to it. Now after doing that, I have this. I can just shift it upward, or I enlarge it. Let me enlarge it. Then after enlarging, don't forget this is the button you use to just go around and place it anywhere you like. So I want to place it here. Then this one that I said I will later use. Probably I want to write what is it called? The things that I do in my business organization. So like we do involving the first one. Just click on it in order to edit. Then it will bring you what to write. It will bring you your keyboard. Then I start graphic designs. Then what else? Test animations. Then animations. Then from there I have video animations, and from there I have audio editing, audio making or editing. Then also I have typing. Also I have tutoring. Also I have like web designing. Also I have data analysis. Those are just the work I do in my business org. Then also project works. Project works. Then etc, and many more things that I do in my company. After that, you press this arrow, this mark sign. We see that our test is like they should be in a row. Each of those works should be in a row. So I can press here. Don't forget here. To change the number of rows. So after pressing here, I have this. And we can guess what happened. We see that our test is starting from the right. What happened? That's our alignment. It's because our alignment, the template alignment was put on the right alignment. That's why. Then you just press here. After pressing here, you just change it to left. So after changing to left, you can then do I want to enlarge it more. I want to enlarge it, but first let me do this. I don't want it. Likewise, okay, and this I want to shift it to here. Let's shift it here. Then this thing I want to make it more larger, more enlarged than like this. Or let me like this, something like this. Then let me enlarge it more. And let's go to the spacing. Let's add the spacing. So it's okay like this. Then I can shift it. I want to shift it to like this. Good. I think our work is looking awesome, more and more. Then what else? Axo designs deal. I want to write deal. Don't forget, you just click on this in order to mark out and to select anything you want to select. Then you click on this plus sign. This plus sign over here. Click on it. After clicking on it, you have seen a text here. Then you press on text. After pressing text, then add some text of your own. I want to add my text. Then I can write, what can I now write? Also design deals. This, and that's what I want to write. Then you press the arrow key. And you can this is what you see. You will see that we sort two lines, the vertical and the horizontal. That's telling you that your text, as you are rotating it, is vertically and horizontally straightened. That's why. So you can just leave it like that. This in, I want to change the, don't forget, I want to change the keys, the letter keys. You press here. It's not changing. Okay. Let's type it. This and so let's type it using the lowercase. Then it's still changed. So it has changed back. Then you see that the color is somehow not as bright as possible. Then you can change it to one of the colors here. You can change it to this color. From there, let's click on this white thing. After clicking on it, you can choose that color, which is this. Then let's choose it. That's good. Then I think our text is not okay. It is. Then let's broaden it more. Or let's change the, we don't need that because we are doing tutorial, so we don't need much time. We don't have much time. This in, oh sorry, just want to change the font a little. Okay, let me just, can I leave it like that? No, let me use something else. Sorry for that. Oh, what else? Okay, let me use this. So I'm enlarging it, and after enlarging, you can press on the arrow and you can press on bold also. Please, if you haven't watched I should be more faster than this, but because of maybe we didn't get the first video very well, that's why I'm still repeating some things. You can press on the B in order to bold it more. Then after that, here, let's write the thing we want to pass on to our customers, like partner with us. In order to do that, just make sure you shift this one upward, because if you put it there, you won't be able to see what you are typing. Just put it there and you start typing. Partner with us, and we would what? Never let you down. Good. Then you can press on the arrow, then you can enlarge it, then you bring it downward, you draw it downward, but you can enlarge it more, or you type on the font size to enlarge more. Then, or let's just quickly change the text, the semi bold or Abibas. Let's take Abibas, yes, and you can enlarge it more, but I think the color is Abibas. Let's change it to, okay, can we change it to white, or is okay like this? I think it's okay like this, but let's press on bold. Let's bolden it. Then before we are through, though this one's supposed to be, it's not centered like that. Okay, audio, though I missed one, but it's okay. I want to write audio making and editing and video making and editing, but that's okay. Then we want to add we want to give this one a background shape. Let's come to illustration. Press on illustration, then you press on shapes, then you can give it this. You can give it this and just be watching as you can enlarge it more, then after that you can change the color. As it's bringing this, is bringing the color, so you just press on it, you can change the color of the text. I want to change it to, let's change that one to yellow. Okay, this is it, so yellow, and you click on the mark arrow, then you change the second color also. Okay, that's the fill. Let's change the fill. Let's just come here. What can we make the fill? Can you make it something like this, or something like, let's just do a rough work. Let's leave it like this. After leaving it like this, then you press on the mark arrow and you press out also. Click on it back, then the third one you change the color also. What can we put there? Okay, let's put this one also. Let's put, okay, no, the yellow. Let's put the yellow there. After doing like this, then you see that our shape is on top of our text. We are not seeing our text again. In order to bring it downward underneath the text, just press on it and you come here, these three dots, press on it, and you see this sign, it makes underneath, and the one that is not boldened, that's the when you want to bring it forward or you want to bring it up. Just press on this one to bring it downward. Just keep pressing. If it hasn't gone down, you just keep pressing, and you see that our text is already downward. Then from there you can just try to adjust. You can shift this one a little bit upward and this one a little bit downward, and this you can draw it. Okay, no, that's our text. You can undo. I've already said it. This is undo. You can undo it. Then we want to pick our shape, and it's not any text, it's the shape we want to pick. I think, is this the shape or not? Okay, you can just put that one upward, and in order to edit the shape more, then click on the text back and you put it back. Now, good. 2020 Axel Designs deals in graphic designs, so on and so forth. Partner with us. So like that, and I think we are true for this, and I think we would have benefited with this in one way or the other. In order to, maybe you want to save your work, press here, or you want to upload online, you press here. But let's us save it. Let's press on it. Let's just wait for some seconds in order to, so it's already saving, and it do bring some code. Perfection is achieved not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing left to. Okay, so it's you saved your design. Our design is already saved, so we are good to go, and you can later come back to it and edit if you want to edit. Stay blessed. I remain Axel. Don't forget to share for family and friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay safe.